Igongona ria gutuga andiki a mohoro aria mekite wega makiria ikero-ini itiganite ria Ajea. Ceceni ya Inooro TV nirevotaneire thutha wa kuinukia ibeo itanyibeire ithano.
Haya,
Amos Weru, Sam Njuguna, Boni Thuku na Waweru wa Nyambura uria revotaneire ibeo igire marevotaneire ibeo kuma ikero itiganite cia mathako, uthunduri na mohoro ma hinahi.
Paul Nyambura, just come and get your award before Mwakazi.
Paul Nyambura, Royal Media Services, karibu sana.
Kawana atia. Udine atia. Nikemani.
Ceceni ya Ramogi TV iria ikoragwo rungu rwa kambuni ya Royal Media Services onayo ni iregwateire ibeo cia andiki a mohoro aria mekite wega makiria uburi-ini wa mbica.
Doing some amazing work from that side.
Munene wa watho Justin Muturi uria urari mugeni wa gitio igongona-ini riri ni agathiriirie wira uria urutagwo ni andiki a mohoro bari kumenyithia muingi, akiuga wiyathi wa wandiki wa mohoro ni wagirirwo ugwikiriro na njira nene.
I'm aware that the profession has come up with a code of conduct and for practice of journalism, which sets out the ethical principles and standards that journalists are expected to uphold in their workplace.
Igongona riri rigitabanio ni kanjo ya andiki a mohoro bururi-ini MCK. Murugamiriri wa kanjo ino David Omoyo ogite wandiki wa mohoro bururi-ini ni wiyukiriirie amu andiki mari na wiyathi wa kumenyithia muingi bata kuthingatia mitaratara iria yagireire.
We saw entries done, of course, in Kikuyu, in Kitaita, and including Buruji. I know when you have an entry done in Buruji language, you stop the judging process for a while to look for a translator.
Igongona riri riratabanagia riri andiki a mohoro marakunguyagira muthi wa wiyathi wa andiki a mohoro thi yothe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Muriithi.